Ayun. Oh, shit. Ano pare? Ano pare? Pwede.
I'm afraid it's the
Wala
enemy's
yun.
turn to pick.
Anong gusto nyo? Tayo na. Benopor.
10 seconds remaining.
Benopor. Benopor. Tapos, anong kasama nun?
5 seconds remaining.
Ano? Bara? Ah, yung ginawa namin. Yung kadiri yun eh. Itong ano kadiri yun? Oo. Oo. Ano to? Ito na.
10 seconds remaining.
Ikaw. Papahirapan kita.
5 seconds remaining.
May la... May... Hindi, baban ko LS eh.
Your turn to pick.
Anong pormo? Uy, anong pormo eh? Anong pormo? Beno bara tayo. Wala tayong stunner. Wala tayong second to stun.
10 seconds remaining.
Akin lang.
5 seconds remaining.
Dapat... Ah, okay, okay. Hindi. Tiny 4. Tiny... Tiny 4, gagi.
I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
I-support. Oh. Tiny, tama, tama. Agree ka par. Ayun, tagay.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Oh, pre, tayo na. Hindi naman natin alam yung ano eh, yung makalaban natin dun pare. Tangay na walang silba yun ah. So anong gusto mo na dito? Last pick ka dito,
I
ano?
believe it's the enemy's turn to ban.
Baban ko Boyd at saka Ellis eh. Oo.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
AM. At saka Ellis.
It's your turn to ban.
Ano? Bossing.
It's your turn to ban.
Di, kausapin mo yung kalin mo, hindi ba't ako? Mag-usap ko yung dalawa. Baliwan po, tek. Oo. E di ayun na yung sagot. Loko-loko tong dalawang to. Kala mo wala sa Discord. Sa Discord tayo, tapos ako rin. Okay lang naman sa akin yung kung marunong yung gagamit. Oh.
5 seconds remaining.
Dahil ibaban ko yan. Tide na lang kaya. Wala tayong ano eh. Ano ka? Anong pa rin, yun pa rin sa'yo pre? Yung ano? Underlord ka pa rin? Tingin ko rin. Under.
I believe it's the enemy's turn to ban.
Okay. TV. O, TV. TV.
Fuck, paano mapili dyan? It's either Centaur or
10 seconds remaining.
Underlord pa rin. Primal.
5 seconds remaining.
Pwede rin doon, tama. Ilo. Yes, sir. Dawn of the Dead.
Axiri lang ni Abaddon eh. Abaddon lang i-heal kasi kada call ko. So dapat si Abaddon lang ma-call ko. Tapos may shield din ang Tinker.
Actually, okay si Axe. Magandang ano si Axe. Didiskartehan mo in-game yan, pre. Kung yung naisip mong under ka, pwede mong diskartehan sa in-game na yan. Yes, sir. Ito. Tayo naman. Kunat nito.
Sige, yun na lang. Underlord, chill ako.
Go ahead.
Siset ka pa.
Select your heroes.
Swerte underpants.
25-0 ko.
Swerte underpants. YouTube ka muna, pre. YouTube ka muna. Kala ko, pre, ang lupit ni Thompson, nag-YouTube muna. Kala ko yun na yun. Lupit ni Thompson, puta, nag-YouTube muna.
With bones and spells I come. With vim and vigor.
You really should prepare for battle.
Nothing, just fine.
Yes, indeed. Yes.
Sino tong kaano natin? Kamachap natin?
All's well.
Ginaya ko siya eh.
A twisted
Tara, Pop. Popping.
by my bones.
Si Bossing. Ay, hindi ito. TV, ito. Dagdag ito. Set.
30 seconds to
Ay, nag-stun yan, no?
I had a
Pangit.
rather like this. Well,
Twin
except
gate na ako.
and a chameleon. But possibilities
Dapat stun eh.
of combat were much the same.
Nigagaw-gaw mo.
Here I come.
Yes ka.
Won't hurt a bit.
Natry tayong barya.
This is it. The battle
tama yan.
begins.
Time for
Oy! Baba si Rush.
forward.
So,
On
ayun.
my rounds. Yes.
Yes.
Very fine.
Abaddon up. Sarap mag-stick.
Yes, indeed.
Stick talaga, pre.
Oh,
Wala.
forward.
Okay.
Prepare for a lesson. Even a master falters.
May have been always wanted to be a giant space crab.
Why am I surrounded by such peons?
Ito parang si Tinker
Here
yun.
I come! A twisted path.
Pre, may magawa ka ba sa layo?
What? Yeah.
Ang
I'm
gago.
under attack. On my round.
Meron bossing.
Yes. By my bulls. With
Si bossing yun.
all swing. Let it go. By my bulls. Very fine.
Okay na.
With vim
Oh,
and
joke
vigor.
lang. Joke lang, di na ako galit.
Forward.
Gago.
A twist.
Apa.
For a lesson.
Yes.
Nag-pull ata ito. Nag-pull nga pre. 3 minutes march.
All swing.
Ano na? Hindi nga. Ngayon lang, ngayon lang. Yan ang nag-pull. So, tinanggal niya yung words ko sa taas. Kaya lang going din ako dyan. Wala akong skill. Pwede nga. Tayo lang pre. CD pa stun ko.
Around.
Itango ko. Okay. Kaya na lang muna gamitin mo. Pre. Dito na rin Tinker pre.
Fine.
Pwede ko i-stun yung dalawa to. O, dalawa yan Nakuha ko. Dali. Para mamatay ka para. Ay, malidik naman nata. Oo, malidik yan par. Tansyado ka yan, bossing.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, autograph gusto mo?
A twisted path.
Oo nga, nasarap kaya yan. Sound trip talaga yan.
By my bull.
Habang inutusan ka maglinis ng bahay, sound trip ka talaga.
All swing.
Tapos yun na agad, 30 minutes. Uy, gago. Kaya lang, hindi ka naman, ma'am. Lagi na utusan din.
Yes. Forward.
Kinukuha na niya ng XP yung ano pa rin nagpull
Here I
Ginawa niya.
come. Dark initiation. Good, yeah.
Dikit mo lang sa ano.
Yes.
Goodness.
Sayang. Sayang yun.
A twisted path. I'm under attack. Here I come.
Yan pare, kumain natin yan pare. Ngayon na naman yung dalawa.
All swing.
Get bounce kaya. Ito pare.
With vim and vigor.
Ano si... Ball, ano rin kami dun Snowballs.
Forward.
Okay yan. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung...
On my
Napil ko yung... malapit na malay mo game 3.
very
Nakuhanan niya rin kasi. Ah, pre, low to pre. Low to pre, sobrang low nito pre. Maledict, open. Ah, na. Wag na. Caring si Mas caring. 6 minutes para.
What I wouldn't give for a net and a kill.
Tago lang ako. Masusuportahan kita dyan. Pare, mamamatay ka ata. Ay, may layon. Ay! Ah. Na-CD na yung words ko dun, par.
A twisted
Asan? Ayan.
Quite a spree. 2 innocent lives taken.
my bones.
Hindi nawala. Nakailang yan. Hindi. Dito na. 7 minutes pare. Huwag ka malito.
Very fine.
Dok lang sinigang.
Radiant's structures are fortified. In fact, they appear radiant with health.
Goods lang yan. Tap ah. Ready?
Forward.
Ito na par. May stun ko par. Dali na yan.
Bottom tower is under attack. Does this happen a lot?
With vim and vigor.
Your middle tower is under attack. Just thought you'd want to know.
Yan lang para. Go lang pare. Go lang pare. No pressure. No pressure bossing.
All's way. On my round. Yes, in
Yung ulti na to.
edge.
Radiant's courier has been slain.
Here I go.
A moment of silence, please.
Ay, hindi napansin.
Yes.
Alam ka may words dyan. Wala.
With vim and vigor. On my round.
Stuck ako par. Kaya mo naman muna dyan eh no? Saan kita dito?
What? Yeah.
Oops, mid checking. Uy, nice. TP.
Clack your bones.
Stuck ako. Try.
Forward.
Sa mid. Kawain mo to pre. Found it.
Very fine. By my bones.
Ay, dapat di ko na pinul.
A twisted.
Ay, okay lang pala. Wala. Papunta.
All's way.
Okay lang. May vision naman tayo. You'll be safe here. Ah, bala. Okay. Gawing stock ulit ako.
Vigor.
Stock ulit ako para ingat lang. Oo, ay. Tanggalin mo yan, boss. Kita ka dyan.
Yes. What? Yeah.
Ay, supporta, pre. Pre. Kaya yata natin.
Dominating.
Your middle tower is
Ay, nakita yung stock, gago. Ito. Ba, pwede kayo.
Very
Ang
fine.
dami yan. Okay lang. Apat. Gugo tayo sa atin, pre. Alis ka na, pre. Makakalis ka ba? Nice wave.
top tower
Pwede yan na stream. Trade ticket. Ba't trade ticket?
your top tower has fallen.
Pwede ba to? Words, oh. Alam yan, hindi lahat ng laning phase maganda. Tayo, natalo pa sa laning phase eh. Ay sa game eh. Labang tayo eh. Focus guys.
On my round.
Par.
Your top tower is under attack.
Yes sir.
Twice the murder.
March, march, march eh. Yan may center eh.
On my round.
Your bottom
Done?
tower is under attack.
Sasabayan niya yan.
Yes.
Ano par? Ano to par? Mirror mode to.
Dyer's structures are fortified.
Mirror mode tong ginagawa sa atin.
Just thought you'd want to know.
With vim and vigor.
Radiant's structures are beautifully fortified.
So,
Regrettably,
fine.
your middle tower
yeah,
is
this lang.
under attack.
We got this. Ito may dulo naman na to eh.
Middle tower has
oops.
fallen.
Tanggal ka muna. May TP ako bottom. May P1 guys.
All's well.
Huwag mo na. Okay.
Excuse
Ayun
me,
ang ginawa
but your
natin.
bottom
Pero
tower
may
is
stacking
under
ulit ako.
attack.
Yes, indeed.
It would appear that your bottom
Okay
tower
lang par,
has
par.
fallen.
Sige lang, sige lang. Okay lang, focus na kayo. Andyan na yan eh.
What? Yeah. By my bow.
Yung stick yun. Oh, easy lang kayo.
Forward.
Andyan sa taas ah.
Here I come.
Pwede yata. Nawala ng mana. Meron pa rin. Ay, gago ako. Nabigay ko naman yung ano. Mangalicious.
I hate to inform you that your top tower is under attack.
Yes, indeed.
I hate to inform you that your top tower is under attack.
Vim and vigor.
Your top tower is under attack.
By my bow.
Ito ako, 6.
Your top
14 ako
tower is
ata.
under attack. Oh dear, your top tower has fallen. Understand?
Wait lang ah. Kinuha. Okay lang.
Forward.
Ayan, pinaka-lowest siguro to sa to, ano natin.
What? Yeah.
Pero grind lang. We got this, boys.
Yes.
Upper words lang ako din.
On my
Attacking.
round.
So to.
Very fine.
Talagaan ka muna yung sa words. I think.
With vim and vigor.
Going, going. Balik ka pa. Ay, that's a tore.
Bounty.
Ito is tore.
What? Yeah.
Parang sobrang, hindi sila matatakot dumive na.
Very fine.
Pace lang, boys.
A twisted path. Yes, indeed.
minutes pa lang, boys.
My round.
Wait lang, wala na ako ano dyan eh. Ah, dyan na sa top. Ano na. Sa pyramid oh.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Here I come.
Ember. Emberino.
All's well.
All is well. Tanggalin ko lang kung may word siya.
My round.
Uy, andito si Eyeball.
Here I come.
Try ko pa rin mag-stock ng tayo.
Very fine. A decent path.
Sa yata, Goms.
Vim and vigor.
Gagi may auto jump na alam.
Regrettably, your middle tower is under attack.
By my bull.
Yes, sir.
Your middle tower is under attack. Just thought you want to structures are fortified.
Yun lang. Ano lang tayo. Hold lang natin sila hanggat kaya natin.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Huwag na natin sila paano yun. Kasi pag natalo natin ito na isang clash lang, bawi tayo sa pera.
Your middle tower has fallen. Let's hope that's the worst of it.
Okay, umalis na sila. Okay, good. Habang tumatagal yung game, tumataas yung bounty niyan. Kaya...
Yes, indeed. On my rounds.
Para sa ito, pwede ito. Wala pang word.
A twisted path.
Excuse me, but your bottom tower is under attack.
Forward.
Checking. Pwede tayo mag-word sa bottom. Ito pare, pwede na kumain ito. Ay, lion. Yung friend, ay, stun yan pare. Nakakalis ka. Grabe, tapos. Wala akong skill. Papasok sa akin, ha. Pumasok na sa akin. Okay, pwede kill na.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your
Hold lang, hold lang.
is under your middle tower has fallen.
Ay, pare.
Your middle barracks
Bakit?
are under attack.
I walk again.
Middle barracks are under attack. Your middle barracks has fallen. Was that an important one?
Very fine.
I hate to inform you that your top tower is under attack.
Goodness.
Oh dear, your top tower has fallen.
Pwede. Okay,
Your
sabay.
top barracks are under attack. Your top barracks has fallen.
Wala yun, no?
Barracks has fallen.
Tos mo ako. Tos mo ako, tos mo ako.
There's no fix.
Tos mo ako, par.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Ano tayo, Mark? Okay lang. Wala nang ulti ata yan. Ano, ulti pa. Masakit na yan, Mark. Ay, masakit na yung TV. Nice roll. Okay, next game. Swap na, no? Nice, nice.